Hey everybody, welcome to my page. It's your girl Queen Nick, and y'all know, and by the way, I'm going to my bathroom. But before we get into my unboxing, this shirt is giving me life right now. It says, I'm a crumb. Flea market, $5. Anyways, so today's video will be about an unboxing, and y'all know I love monthly subscriptions. So, with further ado, this is, like I already did, I recorded, but it only recorded some of them, so I'm going to do this very quickly. So this is Rocksbox, and it's a jewelry subscription. And I think they have a deal going on that if you want it, you can get it now and pay later, and whatever you don't want, you can send back, and whatever you do want, you can pay for it. So I already opened it, but I just love the pink things, the pink bow tie, and and it has like this. Hold on, guys. So much stuff in here. This is Hey Nicole, and it's the R for Rocksbox. I love this subscription. I cannot wait to show you guys. Ooh, stuff flying everywhere. Okay, so first it says Hey Nicole, and of course it was like your name. And this piece of paper shows you everything you got. I can show you because I don't want to surprise. And this, open it up. It tells you all about the stuff, the subscription, and what you do. And you can share it on their Facebook page, their Twitter, Instagram, and so forth. And it's a little note, on the back. Another little note. So, okay. And when you open it up, you will have these. And I think you get 3 to 5 pieces. Then you get 3 pieces. So, that's the box. Sorry guys, going so quickly, but I don't want this to, Okay, so this is by Kendra Scott, and these are earrings. And these are like so gorgeous, let me tell you. Look at those. And I just like them. It looks so expensive. That's because they are. And the piece of paper that says your name it tells you how much everything is. These are Kendra Scott Lauren earrings and crushed ivory pearl insider. Price is $60. That's how much everything is. And you know what? Let me just say something. This box, and it tells you all about the jewelry. And this is a care card, how to care for the earrings. This, like, bag is giving me life. It's like a turquoise color, and everybody knows that I love turquoise. Moving along, this is the lightest bag. And these are, and this is the one I actually picked out. It's a bracelet. And it's a little, look, I'm adjustable. So therefore this is adjustable. And this little bracelet, I'm scared to try it on. But it would fit. It would probably be tight because look at it like. And I just love the color. And that is Olive and Grace kite shape stone bracelet. And whatever this word is. And it's $70. Alright. Well, make sure you can read that word. Yeah. So that's $70. And this is what goes in it. And the last but not least, this is my favorite. This is really heavy, like, this is the heaviest, like, yeah. And all this stuff is, like, super expensive. To me, it is, because okay. Okay, got that. Okay. Now this is awesome. I can see myself rocking this with like a pair, like a black jumpsuit or something. It's so pretty. So, okay, let's see how much that is. What's the color? This is a slate ravi necklace and it's $47. And that's how much everything is, which I'm gonna buy everything. And they also send you this so you can label it and send if you want to pay for it, which I am. If you want to pay for it, send this back with like, I guess, a money order or whatever. And if you don't like the items, you can send this back. So, also, when they send you this, they send you, your stylist sends you a personal card. I'm about to read to you guys real quick. Welcome to Rocksbox. I noticed the Olive and Grace bracelet that I picked, so I sent it your way. I also included a slate necklace that would look great with a pair of Kendra Scott earrings. Are there any trends that you have been wanting to try out? Please let us know, and we would love to send pieces your way. These pieces are on loan to you until you decide what to keep and what to send back. Enjoy, Molly. And you also can add your stylist to your like Instagram stuff, and she can do your styles. But I just love all these pieces, and I'm definitely gonna keep sending the money back. And this is a monthly jewelry subscription box service, and you know what? I'm just so in love with this box. I'm gonna keep this box. Yeah, like the box is so cute. Like, look. Okay, so that's what you get. And yeah, well, I only have one follower. What's up, Rashid? Please like and please subscribe because I can use the followers. Love you.